Okay, we're going to look at our Fanuc robot that we have in the lab. Here's the arm, here's our control box, and here's the front of our teach pendant. Also, we want to look at the back of the teach pendant because we have two dead men switches over here that we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to turn on our Fanuc robot. First thing we're going to do is we're going to switch the power from green to red. And we can see that the teach pendant starts up. You can hear the fan turn on. So if we look at our teach pendant here, see it's starting to load. Now some things to look at the teach pendant, right? We got a stop button right up here. That's just a push, and then you can reset it this way. Here are all of our controls in the front. And also we have our two dead man switches here. Now the reason why they're called dead man switches is because it's a safety thing. The idea is while you're using the robot, while you're programming the robot, you're going to push down on these two switches here to be able to put in any programs or to move the robot. So the idea would be is if you're not in a great position and you're inside the cage and the robot hits you, hopefully you let go of the dead man switches and the robot will stop. Just something to think about. Alright, so this is what the menu looks like when we open it up. I just want you to see that we have a red fault up here. It's kind of hard. It's not really wanting to zoom in. So that red fault just means that we don't have our dead man switch on. So it's always going to have a fault as long as you don't have the dead man switch. And it'll even say it. I don't know if you can read it, but it says dead man switch released. Once you hold it, it's good to go. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to make a file in the teach pendant here so we can make a program later. So what I need you to do is you're in the menu when it first boots up. You're going to hit the next, select. It'll bring you to all our different files that we have. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit then create. And then we're going to put a name in here, and this is a good option. So go to options down here. And then over on the side it says keyboard. You're going to click keyboard. And it gives us a keyboard that we can type on. It's a lot easier than the other way of clicking the letters and stuff. So let's make a program. I'm going to call it Eric's demo. Okay. And I'll put a number at it. Number 1. So Eric's demo number 1. I'm going to hit the exit button. And we can see here the updated Eric's demo number 1 to the create teach pendant. So next thing we're going to click is detail down here. And in here we can do a lot of stuff. We can change a lot of settings. Right now we're not going to play with any of that, but I just need you to hit end right here once you go into that detail. And that will bring you into the program that we're going to write next.